Hey guys, in this video I'm be unboxing and reviewing the Monoprice 27-inch monitor that goes on Amazon for $170. It is a very budget option for a curved 27-inch 165Hz monitor. I was really surprised when I saw this. I needed a replacement monitor and it just seemed like the perfect fit. So I'm gonna get straight to the point and yeah, let's go into this. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is unbox this thing. Inside the box there should be some wrapping paper in the actual monitor box. I like how they did this because some monitor companies will just send you the whole monitor box instead of a protective outer layer. This may be Amazon's, but I just like it. When you pull out the box there should be this protective seal over it. It's not like a TV seal, but it will protect it, so if it is broken make sure to contact whatever company you bought it from or directly to Monoprice. There is this little sticker that you need to pull off where the Monoprice logo is. It's on the bottom, as you can see. Now we're going to show you how to install the mounts. There's two ways to install the mounts. There's a VESA mount and the mount they included with the monitor. First I'm going to show you how to install the VESA mount because that's the way I use it. You're going to use this little clip to take it off. It's pretty self-explanatory, but basically I just took this off, I unscrewed my VESA mount, and then we're going to install it later. Now don't worry, they included the screws for this. It should fit your VESA mount. I have it, I think it's a 75 millimeter VESA mount, but I will correct myself if I am wrong. You're going to need these little elevated things if you're using the VESA mount because the screws are so in there that a VESA mount like mine will not be able to fit in it. As you can see, I tried. So you're going to have to unscrew the screws that are already pre-installed in there, and then you're going to use these elevated ones that can just be screwed in with your hands. They're very easy to install. After that, you're just going to place your VESA mount on top and then screw it in with the little blue ended screws. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to install it with the stand they gave you. You're just going to clip it off again, and you're going to get this pull part and put it through the back and line up the square to fit in this little mount thing right here. And then you're going to use these two screws they gave you in the box, and you're going to screw them into two little screw holes, and that will secure the pull. After that, you're going to get these little screws again, and you're going to get the bottom. I accidentally didn't shoot where I did this, but on the bottom there is a screw hole, so you're just going to place it on top of the pole and screw it in normally, like you would another screw. Now you're just going to clip it back in like you would do when you clipped it out, and you're going to want to hear a clip, because if there's no clip, then that means it's not secured. So once you hear that, everything should be good. And now, I'm just going to set up the monitor. I'm going to show you how it is. Okay, when you turn it on, there should be this little blue LED on the right side. Then you'll see the Monoprice logo. This means everything's going good. Then, you'll see your boot up screen. Mine's ASUS, so it just popped up with the little ASUS loading screen, as you can see. After I logged into Windows, as you can see, it booted up pretty nicely. I had no issues with this monitor, but I would turn up the brightness all the way just because it is an LED monitor. Then I tested it out with some Rocket League. Please don't roast me in the comment section, but I really like this monitor because for the price, it really helped me out, especially when I had broken my monitor and I needed a new one. And I thought I wouldn't like a curved monitor, but this was amazing. Like, I didn't expect it to be this good. Even though it's 1080p, for the price, I would definitely recommend this. So if you're on the line of getting this monitor, I would definitely recommend it. The stand they include is actually pretty good. It can tilt a good amount. And yeah, the only issue with this is it's not very bright all the time, but I never had an issue with this, so I would recommend it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.